See the Connie. Okay. This is an infinite right here. Should I use my poison there? Ooh, I got her. Nice. 6 hits? Okay. Huh, she ran out of endurance. That's weird. Gutted pig. Nice. Nice. Actually, I should just go because Grandpa's like underneath or in the main building.
Come back here, friend.
These don't really have that much points. They could be in facility or slaughter if they're all together, but okay, we have exterior now. It's really good. Oh, there's someone right here. There you go, let the hand smack you. Yeah, that's good. Dude, if this hands doesn't get out of my way, bro. Yeah, these guys still have like no points. A 1, a 2, and a 3. I mean, there should be GG here, right? Yeah, he's got 5. They're both in the bone room. Okay. Yeah, these guys have no idea what they're doing, I think. This door's still locked. Like the Leland's waiting on the Anna to open a door. Yikes, dude. No, don't shut the door on me, bro. They're gonna be trapped down here because they have like no doors open. be patient with the stamina, bro. I like that. Alright, where did Leland go? Did he die? Oh, he's up here. Which door did he go? Oh, he got this open. His hands, bro. Jesus Christ.
Come back here, friend.
Maybe I should have went Leatherface. Shut this door again, so I have to open it again. Wait, he thinks it's locked. He thought it was locked because I shut it. Yeah, remote. So I should probably try to get one. I really wanted to see if I can get ChatGPT to make emotes for me. It was able to, but I don't think it's able to, or maybe it is, I don't know. It didn't seem like it was able to format them correctly, because I think you need, I don't even know, it's like 24 by 24, 48 by 48, and like 90 by 90 or something. I don't know, there's like 3 of them that you're supposed to send in, I think, for it. So. That chainsaw's so loud. Yeah, this person is not a new player. That's a cap right there. Damn, she's really fast too. Probably should have poisoned that. Yeah, this person is not a new player. These people are trolling.
Now, let's just see where this little trail leads me. Just a touch,
There we go, got her poisoned again. And my teammates are oblivious.
like that.
Nice, I got her. Is this a 4-stack? They have like no points. It's really weird. I don't get it. I don't get it. Yeah, there's no way that person only has is level 4. They're all over here. She's gonna go down the well, right? No? Yes? No? Okay. Coming to steal my kill? Nope. Nope. Okay, Leatherface killed the Julie. The Leland was also on Garden Shed. Right. Really weird. This Leatherface doesn't really like to destroy things. Oh, he killed him. Okay, nice. That's good.
Look at all of this green. I guess I can't save you after all.
Bruh, what are you doing? Doesn't even know how to run. God, dude. Gotta learn how to run first, dude. Like, the fuck? Probably stayed down there, but want to get exterior alarms.
Around here ain't so understanding.
No One Escapes Hell will also help out a lot, too. I'm glad the
Are you
Hitchhiker has that. I do have 500 points on the Sunny, though. Okay, the Hitchhiker's just sitting on Jen's side. Interesting. Maybe Sunny's over there? Generator turned on. The cook turned the generator off, or... I'm so confused. I have no idea what's going on here. Yeah, this is weird.
Death doesn't have to be the end, you know. Just trust me. Let go of your fear.
Oh. Rubber banding, though. Jesus. There you go. Feed him. Feed him as I'm getting a kill. There you go. Is this cook just collecting blood, or... I'm so confused what's happening right now. What the fuck is this game? Oh. Hitchhiker is on it, dude. We're coming for you, shiny boy. Ooh. Gotcha. Got the last hit.